Okay, so today we're reviewing the Odepro WD41 dive light, and let's see, let's unbox this thing. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So it's got the hand strap, and we got some what is this? Okay, there's a charger, and then guess this strap is actually installed in this flashlight. We got some 1860 3000 milliamp batteries. Okay. And we got some O-rings, few O-rings, and our user manual. Okay, and let's see what this flashlight actually looks like. This is nice. Machining is awesome. Okay, and then there's this switch over here. Okay, and so yeah, machining is really good. So stand by on the next video for my review about this product.